Okay, so welcome guys. So today we are going to make a mango kulfi. So mango kulfi is a summer dessert, and it is so creamy and so yummy taste. It is flavored with mango and dry fruit. So let's start. So required ingredients: uh, dry fruits such as pista and cashew nuts and almonds, milk powder, cream, mango. Mango is one number, 100 gram creams and 100 gram milk powder. And this is a mold of mango kulfi. You wash the mango and then cut into slices. And cut into dices. First is lengthwise and then cut into square. So after the cutting, first cut the mango in dice and then put in the mixing jar and make a fine paste. Okay, so mango paste is ready, and now put in a bowl. Okay, so mango paste is ready, and now add milk powder, 100 grams milk powder, and whisk with mango paste. Now add fresh cream, 100 grams. So whisk all the ingredients. Now add 30 grams sugar. Whisk. Okay, so now add 2-3 drops of essence. This is a mango essence, and mix with puree. Okay, so in last add dry fruits such as pista, almonds, cashew nuts. So mango paste is ready, and now put in the mold. So cover with silver foil. Okay, so after the covering, prick the sticks in the center, and keep in the refrigerator for 2 hours. So in the other hands, you will prepare the strawberry sauce. So add butter, melt the butter. Then add strawberry puree, strawberry crush. Add lemon juice. And then put in a ball. So after 4 hours, remove the silver foil and then dip in hot water and pour the strawberry sauce. And garnishing with pista. So this is mango kulfi. It's ready to eat, and thank you for watching this video.